welcome back to my channel, and I just want to say that I so apologize that Skincare Sunday and Makeup Mondays, I actually shot both of the videos, but we are in Mercury retrograde, and if you don't know what that is, basically the energy is here where basically electronics, friendships, relationships of all kinds of sorts, cosmic energy is just like retrograde. So yeah, so today is Tuesday, and this is going to be my segment for PRTuesdays. So yeah, there's a website which is this, and Buzz Agent is, I think it's been around since 2011. So I'm so excited because this is my second video for PRTuesdays, and this is another PR package that I received, and it looks like this. Focus. And it says Buzz Agent, and it has a little bumblebee. So I'm so excited. I'm going to open it right now. And take out the paper, and this is what it looks like. So the brand that I got chose to do their campaign, it's called IsaDora Cosmetics, and it is a Swedish brand from Sweden. And I'm so excited because now not only are they're like a really popular brand in Sweden, they are also international now because all IsaDora products are available at Walgreens. So yeah, let's get right into this box of goodies. Oh, this is so cute. So the first thing they sent me in PR is this. It's a makeup blender sponge, and it looks like this. Can you see? Focus. Okay. It looks like that. Then they sent me, this is IsaDora Active All Day Wear Makeup, 24 hours, sweat proof and humidity proof, fragrance free and clinically tested. And they sent me and the number 18, which is Cognac. Oh, nice. Sidebar, yeah, that's my favorite. So this is what it looks like. Let's go back here. Come on, camera, focus. It's like silver, so it's like, yeah, there we go. That's what it looks like. This is so cute. It's like a pump, but it's a tube. I think that's nice. That's so, thank you, IsaDora. They also sent me IsaDora Glossy Eyeliner in 40 Chrome Black, and it's waterproof eyeliner. Oh, that's so cute. And like around the top it says waterproof, and it goes like in a spiral. Can you see it? The words of waterproof. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the words of waterproof. And I'm going to open it. And it looks like this. It's a very sharp angled eyeliner, which is perfect because I love that. And this is like the perfect size to like do a wingtip, do straight, do the bottom. They also sent me IsaDora Stretch Lash Mascara in Expandable brush. Fragrance free, and it says Sweden. So this is what it looks like. Let me take the packaging off because there's a glare. Oh wow, this is a beautiful packaging. Very nice. It's like, it's black and it's red. And it's in the color 1 Black. This is what it looks like. And it says IsaDora, and it says Stretch Blend Mascara. It's so beautiful, like, I love it. And they also sent me IsaDora Twist Up Gloss Stick Moisturizing Lip Filler in the color 1 Toffee Pop. And I'm gonna take off this plastic too. So, this is what it looks like. It says IsaDora, and then it says, well, packaging has like beautiful, like shiny silvers and gold. So it says Twist Up Shiny Gloss Stick, and I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. It smells like cake. And this is how it looks. So the silver part actually twists up and it twists down. It smells delicious. I just want to eat it. It smells like so good. Then they also sent me this, which is IsaDora Face Sculptor in Warm Peach #1, and it is a combination of a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. So it says bronzer, blusher, highlighter, IsaDora Face Sculptor. And it looks like this. The bronzer, the highlighter, the blush. And they sent me also eyeshadow Quartet in the number 44 Muddy Nudes. So it has 2, like, it's all new palettes, but it has like a darker brown, then it has like a sand color, a taupe color, and then that's probably a color to highlight your brows. And this is what it looks like. I really love this packaging. And it looks like this eyeshadow palette. And they also sent me, oh, this is so nice. Oh, they sent me like, thank you so much, IsaDora. I really appreciate this. And I'm so excited to use all your products. They sent me like a makeup bag. So it's black and it's gold. And it says IsaDora right here on the bag. Also right here, it says IsaDora. So that's so nice. They sent me makeup and they sent me a bag to fit all the makeup in. I love this. This is an amazing branding, IsaDora. Like, amazing. So, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, IsaDora, for picking me to be a part of your campaign. And thank you, Buzz Agent, for connecting me with IsaDora. So, I'm going to use all these products that I just discussed in the video, and I'm going to come back for the finished look. So I'm back, and this is the final look, and I really like it. And I didn't use any false lashes because I really wanted you to see how good this mascara is, and it's like elongating my lashes. So I'm really happy about that. And like, I think that this palette is like perfect for smoky eyes and just like a soft look. If like I didn't put the eyeliner, it would be like a softer look, but I really wanted to use the eyeliner, and I winged it because I wanted to like be extra for, you know, the dramatic look. So this is what it looks like. I really like this, and I didn't know this, even though it's like different, and I used brushes for, I actually used brushes for my eyeshadow. But this is so cute. It also says IsaDora on their little applicator brush for the eyeshadow palette. I really love this. The smell is like, it's like enchanting. This smell, it's like, I just want to eat it, but I can't. So like, definitely ladies, if you wear this and you're talking to a special someone, he's gonna be like, what's that smell? It smells so good. Love this also. And I'm just so excited. Like, thank you so much, IsaDora, for picking me, because this is awesome. It's like, they not only sent me a total PR package, but they also sent me this beautiful makeup bag that everything that they sent me could fit inside, and there's still more room left. So I'm just so excited and so thankful. So I just want to say thank you, Buzz Agent, for connecting me with IsaDora, and thank you, IsaDora, for picking me to be a part of your international beauty campaign launch for your whole product line being available now at Walgreens. And so I'm just so thankful. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.